Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to remove background in CapCut video. Firstly, open the CapCut application on your mobile phone. Once you get inside, click on the plus icon to kick off a new project. Then, select the video you want to edit and click Add to continue. When recording the original video, consider using a solid colored background. This makes it easier for the app to distinguish the subject from the background. After adding the video, you will find many options from the editing bar to edit your video. Simply scrub through the video until you find the desired segment. Then tap on that clip and add the button. You'll find various options. Simply choose split to trim the video accordingly. Once you've isolated the segment, click on the clip and you'll see options below. Now swipe to the right until you find the cutout button. Tap on it. Now you have three options: remove background, customize cut, and chrome key. In this example, we will use remove background. Allow it a moment to load, and while you wait, feel free to adjust the size of the video clip. Make it smaller or larger according to your preferences. Look for options to refine the edges of the cutout. Also adjust the sensitivity settings if available. Sometimes a higher sensitivity may be needed for complex backgrounds, while lower sensitivity is suitable for simpler backgrounds. Once the loading is complete, play the video to ensure everything looks just right. When satisfied with the edits, export the video by clicking the upward arrow icon in the top right corner of your screen. And there you have it. That's the easiest way I know to remove the background from your video using CapCut. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and share your comments or questions down below.